Both groups claim to base their ideology on their holy book.
They're not motivated
But when you
by
look
what
at
they
this,
read in their holy book. It's their
they are not
brutality
motivated
that
by what they
makes
are
them
reading in
read
their holy
these
book. It's their
things into
brutality that make
scripture.
them read these things into the scripture.
Recently,
Recently, a
a
prominent
prominent
imam
imam told
told
me a
me a
story
story
that
that
really
really
took
took
me
me
aback.
aback.
He said
He
that
said
a
that a
girl
girl
came
came
to
to
him
him
because
because
she
she
was
was
thinking
thinking
of
of
going
going
to
to
join
join
ISIS.
ISIS.
And
And I was
I was really
really surprised
surprised
and
and asked
asked
him, had
him,
she been in
had she
contact with
been
a
in contact
radical
with a
religious
radical
leader?
religious leader?
He said the
He
problem was quite
said,
the
and he said
opposite.
the problem
That
was quite
every
the opposite.
cleric that
Every
she had
cleric that she
talked
has
to
had talked to
had
had shut
shut
her
her down
down
and
and
said
said
that
that
her
her
rage,
rage, her
her sense
sense
of
of
injustice
injustice
in
in
the
the
world
world
was
was
just
just
going
going
to
to
get
get
her
her
in
in
trouble.
trouble.
And
And
so,
so, with
with
nowhere to
no
channel and make
anger,
sense of
she was a
this
prime
anger,
target to be
she was a prime
exploited by
target to be
extremists,
explored by
promising
extremists,
her a solution.
promising her a solution.
What this imam
What
did
this
was
imam
to
did was
connect
to
her
connect
back to
her back
God
to
and to
God
her
and to the
community.
community.
He didn't
He
shame
didn't shame
her
her
for
for
her
her
rage.
rage. Instead,
Instead, he
he
gave her
gave her
constructive
constructive
ways
ways to
to make
make
real
real
change
change
in
in
the
the
world.
world.
What
What
she
she
learned
learned
at
at
that
this
mosque
mosque
prevented
prevented
her
her from
from
going
going
to
to
join
join ISIS.
ISIS.
I've
I've
told
told
you
you
a
a
little
little
bit
about
about how
how
Islamophobia
Islamophobia
affects
affects
me
me
and
and
my
my
family.
family,
But
but how
how does it
does it
impact
impact
ordinary
ordinary
Americans? How
Americans?
does it
How does it
impact
impact
everyone
everyone
else?
else? How
How does
that
consuming
consuming fear
fear 24
24
hours
hours
a
a
day
day
affect
affect
the
the
health
health
of
of
our
our democracy
democracy, the
and the
health of
health
our
of our
free
free
thought?
thought? Well,
Well,
one
one study,
study,
actually
actual
several
several studies
studies
in
in
the
neuroscience,
neuroscience show
show that
that
when
when
we're
we are afraid,
afraid, at
at
least
least three
three things
things
happen.
happen.
We
We
become
become
more
more accepting
accepting of
of
authoritarianism,
authoritarianism,
conformity,
conformity, and
and
prejudice.
one
One study
study
showed
showed
that
that when
when subjects
subjects
were
were exposed to
exposed to
news
news stories
stories
that
that
were
were
negative
negative about
about
Muslims,
Muslims, they
they became
became
more
more
accepting
accepting
of
of
military attacks on
military
Muslim
attacks on
countries
Muslim countries
and
and
policies that
policies
curtail the
that
rights of
curtail the rights of
American
American
Muslims.
Muslims.
Now, this isn't just academic.
Now, isn't just
When you look
academic.
at
When you
when
look at
anti
when
Muslim sentiment
anti-Muslims sentiment
spiked
spiked
between
between
2001
2001
and
and
2015,
2015,
it
it
happened
happened three
three
times,
times, but it
but it
wasn't
wasn't
around
around
terrorist
terrorist attack.
attacks. It
It
was in
was
the
in the
run up to
run-up
the
out
Iraq
of the Iraq
War
War
and
and
during
during
two
two
election
election cycles.
cycles. So
So
Islamophobia
Islamophobia
isn't
isn't just
just
the
the natural
natural
response
response
to
to
Muslim
Muslim
terrorism,
terrorism, as I
as I would have expected.
would have expected.
It can
It can
actually
be
be a
a tool
tool of
of
public
public
manipulation,
manipulation,
eroding
eroding
the
the
very
very
foundation
foundation
of a
of a
free
free
society,
society,
which is
which is
rational
rational
and
and
well
well
informed
informed
citizens.
citizens.
Muslims
Muslims
are
are
like
like
canaries
canary
in
in
the
the
coal
coal
mine.
mine. We
We might
might
be
be
the
the
first
first
to
to
feel
feel
it,
it,
but the
but the
toxic
toxic
air
air
of
of fear
fear is
is
harming
harming
us
us
all.
all.